Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm doing a very short video about this altered box, but I wanted to show it to you anyway, and not just because it looks nice, but also just to tell you or maybe remind you on how to do such a thing. So what you do for now, I have several tutorial videos, free video tutorials on my channel, so check that out about altering a box. But to recap, first you screw open the box, by which I mean you remove the metal pieces, so the hinges and the screws that are keeping the box closed, mostly on the back. Sometimes there's a sort of a lock piece on the front, remove that as well. Second, you cut the design paper to size for all sides. So that is top, bottom, sides, inside, well, basically every surface area that you want to matte. Ink around the edges if that is your style, but it's not necessary. And then you simply glue it on. As you can see, it has sort of a show piece here. This is a wooden piece, and let me show you that up close, because what I did there, first I painted it white, and then I used two different kinds of glitter glue, and the top half of the word is with the diamond stickles, so multicolored holographic glitters, and then the bottom half, they are white stickles and they are called frosted lace. So you can see that here as well. So what I did was I laid a piece of paper, covered it up, and then did the first half, and then put, then filled in the rest with the second stickles. Now I use a lot of decorative elements here, so a lot of flowers, large ones and small ones, some leaves, but also some blings. And here you see a couple of those as well. I added some pearls, so here, and even some glittery blings there, and also here a little one. Now here you see a metal piece. This is actually sort of a Alice in Wonderland clock piece with the white rabbit from the Alice in Wonderland stories, but I just thought it was cute. And then here, same in the same bronze color, a corner piece. And I chose a paper that had lots of different patterns in one sheet, because this is a one sheet project. So I used one 12 by 12 inch sheet, and every side is different. And that is thanks to that same sheet. So I used a Stamperia sheet. Stamperia is a gorgeous brand, I think. They have lovely papers, and this is a sheet from their Rose collection, and it's an older collection that they have. Now as for the inside, so I left this plain. This is sort of a desk organizer, so to keep your pens and pencils and maybe even some brushes or erasers or paper clips, whatever that you want to keep in there. I sometimes paint these kind of boxes on the inside, but in this case, because it is a very close fit here, the paint would add some bulk, and then it wouldn't close as well as it does now, because there you go. So I thought I'd leave it as is. That is a reason that I chose this paper, so I wouldn't have to paint my box, because the color of the wood matches perfectly with this paper, I thought. So I left that plain, but I did do the inside. I stamped thank you and die cut a label from the design paper. It is a double-sided paper, so this is the back side of that paper. And I added a decorative strip here with some brads. And of course, to add these brads, you first have to do all of your decorations and only then glue it down. Now I also added some liquid pearl here. This is by Nuvo, so these are Nuvo crystal drops. But you can also draw lines, not just drops. I love that effect. So these were my tips to make a box, well, to decorate it, to alter it. It is not difficult. You have to take some measurements, and as I said, check out my video tutorials if you haven't done any such thing before. It's not difficult. Just work precisely and meticulously as always, and use simply some wet glue to glue everything down. I always use hot glue to do the non-paper elements like these flowers, and I use metal glue to do the metal elements, obviously. So then at the end, just screw everything back together, and there you go. So let me know what you think, guys. Press the like if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Press the notifications if you want to get notified every time I upload something cute. And I will see you next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.